Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel invoice in Zoho Books. So first, you may want to head over to Zoho Books and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Sales, then click on Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices page where you can see a list of all your invoices. Now look for the specific invoice that you would like to cancel and click on it. And from here, click on the three dot icon, then click on Void. From here, note down the reason as to why you're making this invoice void. In that way, the recipient will also know the reason for the cancellation of this invoice. Then once done, head over and click on Void it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!